Hello, future Mustangs. My name is Miss Brannigan, and I am one of the counselors at the Morton Freshman Center. We're really looking forward to meeting all of the students for next year. And today, what I am going to be going over are our academic levels that are offered at the Freshman Center, how those classes are chosen, all of the academic classes that freshman students take, and elective opportunities that some students might want to have for next year. So, the academic levels that we offer at the Freshman Center are some students will be placed in ELL courses, which are English language learning classes. Those students are selected for those classes based on their access scores. And then we have a core placement, which those students are reading, writing, and their math skills are at the ninth grade level. And then we also have honors. Honors placements are students who are scoring above grade level. Um, and there's higher expectations in those classes. And your GPA will be higher because you are placed in those honors classes. How those classes are chosen, those academic levels are chosen based on winter and spring MAP scores, as well as teacher recommendations. And so, after you receive your placements, if you ever have questions as to why those classes were chosen for you, a great person to ask are always your language arts teacher, your English teacher, and math teacher. They would know based on MAP scores as well as your work performance as to why those classes were chosen for you. So, what classes are you going to have for next year? So, at the Freshman Center, all students have English, world history, biology, integrated math, as well as PE and health. And as you can see, next to each class are the different academic levels that you could be placed in. So, for English, there's a core and an honors level. For world history, we offer biliteracy, core, as well as AP. So let's start with biliteracy. Biliteracy is a program that we offer that are for students who speak, read, and write in the Spanish language. Later on in this video, you are going to hear all about our biliteracy program and what the benefits are of being in that program. So listen on for more details about biliteracy. And then there's AP. AP is an advanced placement class. It's college level, and there is a specific MAP score that you need to have in order to be placed in that class. So we not only have AP World History, but we also have AP Human Geography, which is the other social science class that we offer in advanced placement. So there are two AP classes that we offer in the social studies class during your freshman year. And so, again, those students will receive notice of that, and we will have an AP night where you will be able to listen to the teachers to hear what the class is and the benefits of being in those courses are. So then we have biology, which is offered in biliteracy, core, and honors. Integrated math, which is a combination of algebra and geometry. And we offer that in biliteracy, core, and honors. And then we also have STEM math, and that is for that's the second level of STEM for our eighth grade students who are in STEM math classes their eighth grade year. And then we also have one semester of PE and one semester of health. And at the bottom, you can see there's an opportunity for taking an elective. So, an elective is a class that is offered during the school day that any students are eligible to take. The only thing is that if you would like to take an elective, you have to take a 0-hour class, which means that you would have to come into school every single day starting at 6:55 in the morning. And this is a class you cannot drop once you start the school year. So unfortunately, you can't try it out in the beginning of the school year and then decide later on that it's not something you want to wake up early for anymore, or it's not a class that you really like. Once you start that class, you are expected to finish out the school year in that class. So the courses that we offer are band and marching band, Chinese, digital literacy and computer programming, principles of biomed, Spanish, Spanish for Spanish speakers, and TSI. And in the next few minutes, you are going to be listening to the teachers who teach those classes to learn more about those courses. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, there will be a form at the end that you can fill out to ask any questions for us. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hi guys, hi Unity. My name is Mrs. Gamboa, and I just wanted to briefly talk to you about an awesome new honors elective that we are offering at the Freshman Center. It is called Principles of Biomedical Science, and it is a Project Lead the Way class. It is the first time we're running it at the Freshman Center. We ran it at Morton East this current school year, so we are super excited to be able to offer it to you guys for the very first time as freshmen. It is an honors elective, and it is one whole year long elective. It's not something that switches at semester, so you will be in the class for the entire year. It is, some of you guys may have taken a medical detectives class, 7th grade, possibly 8th grade, I'm not quite sure. And a lot of it, it sort of goes along with that timeline. Sophomore year, you'll take this your freshman year, and then if you really enjoy it, there will be additional courses that will follow your sophomore, junior, and senior year. So it's very, very cool. It is sort of like a crime scene. You are posed with a problem that first day, first week of school, and then looking and hands-on and doing a bunch of different scientific labs. You spend the entire school year trying to sort of figure out like who done it. So it's really, really cool. The teachers that are teaching are at East, even though it's been remote, they're saying how great this is going to be. So we are very excited to offer it next year at the Freshman Center. So hopefully we will see you next year, possibly in this elective. And if not, then hopefully you are getting some really great information about some really cool electives that we're going to offer here. I hope wish you the best and have a wonderful end of your 8th grade year. And we are super excited to meet you and see you next year. Take care.
Hi, 大家好. I'm Ms. Huang. I am the Mandarin Chinese teacher here at Morton Freshman Center. If you're wondering why you should take Mandarin Chinese, here are 5 reasons why. 第一, 1. China has the second largest economy in the world. Learning Chinese will be a boost to your career and resume with international companies. 2. 第二, Chinese is also the most widely spoken language in the world, and you could be one of the 5 people who can speak it. 3. 第三, each year we take a field trip to Chinatown to experience authentic Chinese culture. So 4. 第四, you'll also learn and celebrate traditional Chinese festivals by making different crafts and eating traditional foods. And finally, 第五, the benefits of taking Chinese at Morton includes receiving college credit when you pass the AP Chinese Language and Culture exam with a 3 or higher. And you can obtain the Seal of Biliteracy on your diploma. So now that you have learned 5 reasons why and how to count 1 through 5, you can join us in our class and learn more throughout the year.
Hola estudiantes de octavo y bienvenidos a su video introductorio a los cursos opcionales que van a tener disponibles para su 9º grado. Entonces, les empiezo este video con una pregunta sencilla. ¿Saben cuál es la diferencia entre usar la H en español o, por ejemplo, la doble L, la Y, la R, la C, S, la Z o la D o la B? O la pregunta más obvia. ¿Cómo sé si una palabra va a necesitar un acento? La respuesta a estas preguntas, de hecho, es muy fácil. Y la respuesta se encuentra en un curso en especial que se llama El Español para Hispanohablantes Nivel 1, o en inglés, Spanish for Spanish Speakers 1. Junto con la señorita Montalvo, y yo me llamo la señorita Rodríguez, damos este curso para los niños de 9º grado. Usamos actividades de lectura, de escritura, de escuchar y de hablar, todo para ayudarles a ustedes a desarrollar lo que necesitan para mejorar su español. Porque lo importante aquí es saber que ustedes ya saben español. Yo no les voy a enseñar qué palabras nuevas, azul, rojo, los colores. Eso no van a aprender en este curso. En este curso nos enfocamos en situaciones como estas. ¿Cómo sé cuándo voy a usar la palabra no más en contra la palabra nada más? ¿O cuál es la diferencia de estas palabras aquí abajo? A ver y a ver. ¿Cuál es la palabra correcta? Este es el enfoque de este curso, que ustedes desarrollen un español más académico. Entonces espero que elijan y les dejo como su primera meta de la prepa. Ustedes van a poder inscribirse al mejor curso que se ofrece aquí en el Morton Freshman Center. Suerte y los vemos el año que viene.
Hi, Future Mustangs. My name is Mr. Avance. I teach TSI at the Morton Freshman Center. I've been asked to tell you a little bit about what TSI is and what we do in our class. But instead of hearing it from me, I thought I'd ask a few of my former students to tell you a little bit about what our class is. Let's see what they have to say.
9th graders, this is a video for TSI. More specifically, why you should join 8th grade TSI. You get to work on this. You can change the battery, you can change the SSD, you can replace the whole motherboard. Whatever the problem with the computer is, you can repair it.
You should take TSI next year because it teaches you how to fix computers and it teaches you how to work together, such as in a group or teams.
My favorite thing from TSI was the experience that you gain from it. It's an opportunity to learn hands-on about computers and really get experience that you can use outside of TSI.
When I took TSI last year, I really enjoyed device repair because I liked being hands-on with things, and as well as the customer service station because you were able to talk to people. You gain both communication skills and problem-solving skills, which I think is great.
A reason why to go to TSI is for if you're interested in laptops, stuff like IT, where you can, help out a lot of people to fix up computers.
Favorite part about TSI was actually returning the computer back to the person because you get to go to different classrooms and return the computer and take back the belongings.
One of my favorite things from TSI was actually being able to put my hands on the laptop and being able to diagnose what was wrong with it and actually being able to fix it. It just felt so satisfying to see the laptop turn on and work as the way it was intended to. I just really suggest going to TSI. It was really fun and I really enjoyed it and I just really recommend it.
So there you have it. If you're looking to get hands-on with computers, learn more about the tech industry, and generally have a good time in school, TSI is the class for you. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you next year.